Hello everyone, there are these amazing job opportunities abroad and they're really looking to hire international candidates. So if you're overseas and you need a job to migrate to the country, then you really need to watch this video and take advantage of the opportunity I'm going to be sharing here real quick so you can move down to the country immediately. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to the channel. I do appreciate you stopping by to watch my video. Do subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos like this that will help you in your relocation journey. And if you want to talk to me privately about your own personalized needs as regards your relocation plans, then I do have a one-on-one consultation. And you're going to find a link in the description box where you can book a one-on-one consultation so we can talk over a call, or you can send me an email. My email address is going to be displayed on the screen, or you send me a direct message on Instagram so we can arrange it. So 3 ways of reaching me to talk to me over a call. 1 is to click the link in the description box. 2 is to send me an email, and 3 is to send me a DM on Instagram. I really look forward to speaking with you. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I hope you find value here. If you do, then do give this video a like. That is a thumbs up. It's just a way to, just say thank you, Jackie, for the content you share. When I see your likes and comments, it truly motivates me to make more videos for you. So do give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so let me just go ahead to show you these opportunities, and I do hope you take advantage of them immediately. Okay, so let me start by showing you this particular one here. This is advertised on Indeed. And what you can do is just to go to Indeed, uk.indeed.com. Maybe type out all these or just search for this and you're going to see it, okay? All right, so this is for a community care assistant. Care South at Home is the one hiring for this. And the salary is up to £13 per hour. So about the role, you'll be supporting clients with a variety of needs, including personal care within their own homes. You will need a driving license and access to your own vehicle. We can offer 40p per mile, free uniform, free DBS, free life insurance, and all of that. And Care South, a leading not-for-profit charity, are looking for enthusiastic home care assistants to support our clients in. These are the locations they have. These are 7 locations here. So that is to show that, they will be hiring quite a number of care assistants. So do apply for this. They're going to hire, several candidates for these roles since they have, 7 locations. This position is suitable for any drivers with vehicle looking for care assistant, home care assistant, support worker, or healthcare assistant roles in social care. Tier 2 sponsorship is available to successful applicants. All right. So these are the benefits once again. These are the benefits of working with this company, right? It's a full-time role and there's a welcome bonus of £500 rather. Paid travel time and all. So this is really cool. So about you, right? This is what they're looking for in the ideal candidate. So to apply for this, you can apply for this right here on Indeed. Okay. So that is a way of applying. And there is also a phone number here that you can call if you need more information. So this is really cool. I think it's worth applying for community care assistant. It has visa sponsorship. So if you want to move to the UK as a care assistant, this is one job you can apply for immediately. Okay, so let me quickly show you another one. Still on Indeed. Care assistant, yeah. Still on Indeed, so you can apply for this. The Laurel's Care Home is the one hiring for this position, and the salary is £10 per hour. Okay, so this is it. Tier 2 sponsorship is available, right? Tier 2 sponsorship is available for this. So yeah, with the recent good news, I did a video about it. You can check out my previous video where the UK government officially extended, the deadline for hiring care assistants from overseas, because a lot of people were worried about that. And yes, it's official. the UK government is still leaving it open for care assistants to be hired from overseas, and have even provided £15 million to aid in hiring international carers. So this is really amazing. So it's worth applying for. So this one has visa sponsorship, right? So it's something you can apply for. A care assistant is needed. So apply for this £10 per hour, company pension, on site parking, sick pay, you know. So do apply for this. So you can go on Indeed and type out this URL, type this out, and you're on the page, or you just search for this at uk.indeed.com, search for care assistant. You're gonna see it. Okay, next up, let's see what we have next. Okay, Aviana Care, right? So this is another amazing care home in the UK. They have the license, they are licensed sponsor. They do hire care assistants from overseas, so you can check this out. Aviana Care is like a top recruiter when it comes to hiring from overseas. So I think we should just quickly go and let's look at their services, right? Let's look at their services. Meanwhile, the URL for this is avianahealthcare.co.uk. So you can just go there and see, what's up with them. So they have home from hospital care, emergency or urgent care, palliative care, learning disabilities, living care, adults, young adults 18 to 25, elderly care, supported living, visiting care. So they have all these available in their care home, right? So you can, if you want to work in any of these their services, then let's go check out what they have for international recruitment. Okay, so international recruitment. Looking to work as a carer in the UK? Join us. We are committed to providing the best care and support possible. Okay, how to apply? Visit our career page, identify the position you would like to apply for, and follow the application steps. So they've given the stages, the process of applying, and there are 5 stages, yeah, until you land the UK. And the first stage is if you require a certificate or sponsorship in order to apply for a visa to work in the UK, simply visit our career page. So you go there, apply for the job, right? And then you have background checks. Once your application is received, our international recruitment team will contact you to obtain pertinent information. And when they do all that, then they will now schedule an interview with you, right? Okay, let me mention this. The supplementary questionnaire we use as part of your initial assessment. Okay, so they're going to send you a questionnaire to just find out a bit about you, to know if you're the kind ideal candidate they're looking for. And then stage 3 is the interview. Stage 4 is the invitation, where you apply for your visa and all of that. So these are all the information. I do advise to come and read all of this so you can have a full understanding of what the full process is, to land the UK as a carer with this care home. And then you now have training and assessment week. So when you land the UK on this job, the first thing they're going to do for you is to train you, right? They're going to train you. So that's amazing. Okay, so let's look at their career page to see what's available. Senior carer, current opportunities, yeah. Senior carer, community carers, part-time community carers, senior carers. So these are all that they have. So you can apply as a senior carer or as a community carer. And they do have different locations in the UK, as you can see, right? Different locations. So it's really amazing. So do check out avianahealthcare.co.uk to apply. Okay, let's see another one. This is Cedar Care Homes, and the URL is cedarcarehomes.com. This is another amazing care home in the UK that hires from overseas. So do apply. Let's see what they have in careers. Okay, when you click on careers, this is what you're going to see. So you just go ahead and apply for a position. You upload your CV, upload your application form that you're going to download from here. So you download the application form, fill it up, and then upload it here. Upload your CV, put your cover letter in this box provided, and then fill out all of this. Okay, so it's really cool. So let's see positions available. care assistant, care coordinators, so many, even domestic assistants, chef. So let's see care assistant, yeah, because that's what we're interested in here. Okay, this is care assistant page, and current vacancies they have in Bristol Homes, Bath Homes, Chester Homes, quite a lot of locations. They have many locations in the UK as well. So you read it up and then apply for these jobs. I think this is really a very good opportunity to move down to the UK as a care assistant. All right. If you found the video useful, then do share with others so they can take advantage of these opportunities as well. Also give the video a like to support the channel, and do subscribe so you can be seeing more videos like this. And if you want to know more about how to move to this particular country, other visas, other pathways, then do watch this playlist right here so you can get more information. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.